Hello, and I just wanted to come back with another video about a new feature called input throttling. And just to demonstrate it real quick, I have the two rows here from the Solid Demo app, my normal example. And right now I have on the bottom one, this is normal input, is you can press this as fast as you want. I'm pressing left and right on my keyboard. I can even hold down the right key and you can see how fast it goes. And that's kind of the default behavior, is there's no throttling of input. So as fast as the user can press the input, the application will receive that and do something with it. Now the downside of that is, like, it might not work that way on TV devices because it's infrared or a Bluetooth remote. So there might be naturally like 100 millisecond delay or slightly less, hopefully like 50 millisecond delay before like the app receives input. But now you can actually control how much input comes in through a very simple setting. So in Visual Studio Code, I have this new field that you can put on any element, throttle input. And this will say only receive input every 250 milliseconds. So if the row has focus, which it does, this top row has it. So this bottom row doesn't have that. This top row does. So I'm holding down my right arrow now, and you'll notice it's much slower. It's throttling it to 250 milliseconds. So every 250 millisecond, it allows movement. Versus before, it would do as quickly as you could input. But now it will throttle. And this is built into the framework. You can do it on any element that's receiving input. And just to note, it throttles all input. So if you press back button and up key at the same time or close to the same time, you'll receive whatever one was first, and then it will skip the second one because it's throttling all input. I didn't want to do, throttle one and then handle another one. That was a little too complicated. And if anybody's pressing keys faster than 250 milliseconds, they're doing something really, really odd. The only thing I will have to think about now that I'm thinking is what happens if you press two key presses at the same time. That will be something, I don't know if anybody has that problem, but that will probably also not work with this if you want two keys at the same time, if it's within 100 or 250 milliseconds. So anyway, just keep that in mind. I'm going to demonstrate this again real quick. We'll just increase this to 1250. And again, now this is taking way longer. So I'm actually holding the right key and you can see how slow it goes. And the benefit for this, or the reason you want to do it, is if you have animations, a lot of our animations are 250 millisecond. And if you go really, really fast, the animations can actually get messed up. So this will allow you to slow it down. So like, I know in some cases, the left menu could get messed up where it's out and in and going too quickly with the animation. So you can easily add throttling onto any component. And the other thing to note is the throttling affects all keys. So I'm pressing the right key and holding it, and now I'm pressing the down key and it won't do anything until the throttle is offset. And again, this only works for that specific element that has the throttle on it. So if you change focus to another element and then press a key on it, it will receive input as soon as it receives new focus, because this is per element that it occurs. Okay, the last thing that I will add is there is a new configuration option that you can actually do this globally if you want. So let me see if I can remember what I called it. I think it's the same name, config.throttle input. And you can set this globally. So if you want 100 milliseconds, nothing can move faster than 100 milliseconds, you can just do throttle input. And so now if we go down here, you'll notice it's a little bit slower. Let's actually make this a little bit more extreme so we can show this. Let's go 700 milliseconds. Should have reloaded. And now all input now is throttled to 700 milliseconds. All right, that was it. I hope you enjoyed. Hope that was helpful. Hopefully it should make building TV apps a lot easier. As always, like, comment, give me feedback, and join the Solid Discord to talk to us. And thanks for watching. Bye.